Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to convert data stored in TXT format to Excel format using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case you need to include the Microsoft.Office.interop.excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetextensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. So now we will start writing the code. I will copy this and come here and paste it here, and then I will use application. Then I will name the object which is Excel app equals to new, paste it again, which is Microsoft.Office.interop.excel.application bracket semicolon. Now I will use this object to set its visible property to true so that you can see the Excel app on your machine. After that, I will create an object of the workbook. So I will name it as workbook wb equals to Excel app dot workbooks dot open semicolon. Here I will specify the path of the txt file, right? I will paste the file path, and before this I will just add sign so that the compiler interprets it as literal. Now I will create an object of the worksheet. I will name it as ws equals to, and then I will copy it because I need to do the typecasting here, dot worksheet. And then I will use workbook dot sheets. In the bracket I will specify the index of the sheet. Then I'll put semicolon. After that, what I need to do is I need to use the text to columns function. So here I will use the worksheet dot used range. Used range I'm using to select all the data of the sheet, and then dot text to columns. Then in the bracket I will specify some parameters, and here I will put semicolon. Now I will go inside the bracket. Here I will specify the destination colon worksheet dot used range comma. Then I will specify data type colon Microsoft dot Office dot interop dot Excel. I will just copy it because I'll need it later on as well. Dot Excel text parsing type. Dot Excel delimited comma. Then the parameter is going to be text qualifier colon Microsoft.Office.interop.excel.excel text qualifier dot Excel text qualifier double quote. And then I will put a comma. Now here I will specify the semicolon is going to be false because we are not going to use semicolon as separator. comma, then I will specify comma, colon, false, again comma, tab is going to be false again, space is going to be false again, other I'll set the value as true, comma. Now here we need to specify the character using which we want to do the text to columns. So I will say other char, colon, in the bracket I will use pipe sign, comma, then here I will use this field info, colon. Now I will create the object, square bracket, comma, then here I will use double curly bracket, inside that will specify 1, comma, microsoft.office.interop.excel, excel column data type, dot excel text format, right? Now I will just click on save. Here you can see that this is the data that we want to convert into Excel, right? Execution has started. Here you can see that the data which was stored in .txt file has been converted into an Excel file in the proper format, right? So this is the data which we had in the .txt format, and this is the data which is in the Excel file. This is how you can use C# code to convert data stored in .txt file into Excel data. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.